Did you give up waiting? She's never gonna stop eating. She loves all her food. She's eating rice and spinach now. Oh my goodness. Who got some spinach on your beak? She really likes the spinach. Oh, she found a cashew. Miss Princess Cashew is being a little boo-boo. Or is she being a lafufu? Is you taking a little poo-poo? Now you clean your face. Do a little stretch. Oh, beautiful stretch. Yes, ma'am. Did you get your belly full yet? You only ate everything in the house. Everything. Rice, spinach, salad. I know. I know. Your voice is so cute. What you getting excited about? You wanna fly to him? Alright. Jump on. Get your taxi ride. Oh, one more stretch for the video. Oh, thank you. Your taxi's gonna leave you. She's like, can I bring some food with? I might get hungry later. The endless food bowls everywhere. A little bit of everything. Those arms. She sells food everywhere. Let's go to the next plate. Make sure you didn't miss anything. Uh-oh. Cheerios and Chex are on that plate. Okay. And we ran out of food. That one's blank. She's like, what? Is missing food on that plate? How dare you? My buffet is broken. You are on a buffet, missus. I think you're gonna be stuffed tonight. And there's my lafufu. It's d.i.y. What do we think? Oh, you can see the back of it now. Missing his body, but so far that's what I got going on. Summertime fun. Woohoo! I can just picture it with his little hands and his little clay toes.